boys on that thing, man. Okay. If on the real stuff, fucking don't eat. Women lie, men lie, numbers ain't cheap. The boys on that, I ain't see that coming. I can't even count. I ain't even see that coming. Ooh. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, but I ain't see that coming, boy. Seen black man doing them, boy. Yeah, the interior, they had just got sent out too. Ooh, FUs on there, boy. Crazy. I see, even when it was down at the house, I go down to the house and I used to put gas in like every 3-4 days. I would go down the house every day, at least every other day and crank it up. Cause I know how them carburetors is. But it's a new carburetor though. That's how I knew it was a good engine, bro. Cause I just cut out, you gonna crank it right there, cause you ain't no gas. You feel me? You ain't no gas. It ain't come back right there, go. You feel me? It's a carburetor out there, y'all. And AC air blowing. AC air blowing. Gray stitching. On the gray. I said, bro, it's a lot of money in putting this car. You like, you all the way down to the door lock. I'm Billet door lock. Billet window, come on. If I would have turned all of the power, that's how I could pre-see. Oh boy, goddamn. Whew. Oh goddamn. Love the grill on the Monte Carlo grill like it mugging. Ain't like it mugging. Oh man. Playing no game. No game. I told you, compressor. Condenser. Carburetor brand new. It look like this. That thing brand new. The only thing I ever put is I ain't put the exhaust on, ain't put the headers on. I changed the intake, brand new too. Yeah. I said I paid for the AC. I paid that. I put a new alternator. I still gotta change my window. Whatever window whatever thing that is, window mode, whatever that is. I know they go for the windshield wipers. They go for the wipers. Windshield wiper mode, I don't know. I think that's what it is. I replaced that. Cause them things dragging. That's a brand new windshield. I ain't about to scrap the windshield, look. They're like, yeah, that's nothing. That's brand new windshield. We got 20/20 vision. For real, brand new windshield. Windshield alone for $300. And you still have to pay somebody to put it in. Brake boost, I ain't go new brake. I gotta get new brake boost. I wanna go chrome hinge. The hinge cost. So the chrome hinge. Everything else really. This block came in the car and I bought it. A truck motor. Have a real truck motor. No new valve cover, gasket, new valve cover, all that. Don't high ride valve cover. All that stuff new, bro. Distributor, I ain't have to change the distributor. Timing was all the way right. All I did was change the spark plugs in the plug. I did all that at the house. So it wasn't even clean either. They got clean 2 batteries. And 2 batteries. Y'all niggas be playing. You got to have 2 batteries. Y'all niggas be playing. You wonder why your car be dying and shit all the time. You put music in it. You got 3 batteries. I got 2 batteries up here and I got a Ferret in the back. I got almost about 3 batteries in here. Rallies. So I can really enjoy them motherfucker. I still gotta get the y'all see on the rallies, the Chevy cap, the Chevy sticker, that's gonna be changed too. They're gonna be on. Then we just talking about the what that thing called, bro. This right here, bro. That chrome piece, that chrome piece over. I forgot what it called, bro. It's a chrome P-Gold right here. That's the only one missing. And that's missing because the fender that was on here, it was dead. It was messed up. This is another fender. I got this off another Impala. Or Caprice one. I got a little truck right behind me. I got my stick today, so we real sturdy. I got my stick in my hand today, so everything real sturdy. Oh yeah, these vents, Sandman design. He ain't had none. I think he got them now. These vents right here. These vents gonna be chrome and they gonna glow up. Striker, that's gonna be chrome too. Chrome striker. Y'all know this door didn't even use to open on that car. Yeah, this door didn't even use to open. I just got another one right next to me. They're Mario's. I told you, this hit box shit right here. Yeah, man. Let's see what's going on. Just one big thing. Oh yeah, this boy here clean too, boy. And no cracks on the damn. New window. Hey. Black boy said this his baby right here. This his baby. I said, yeah, they car around. They car been around so long. You don't see these on the road. This is funny at, bro. You don't see these on the road. GT. Hold on there. Mike T. Chisels. Got the chisel. Got the state of New York. Man, this thing came a long way, boy. Come on, everything in New York. This thing came a long way, boy. Jeez. Man, that thing come from New York. Oh, yeah. So this thing come real G by the shop. Y'all see them though. Y'all already know what's going on with him. You know what's going on with him. This thing got no crack in the dance board in there. No crack in the dance. But that's what you getting project out of nowhere. That thing came out of nowhere. Man, I get no fan for the Trailblazer, y'all. I gotta get the fan for the Trailblazer. Y'all want the Bluetooth. Oh boy, that little crazy. Fat boys on, yeah. Fat boys. Big meat Larry. Nah, like I said, it ain't big meat Larry Hooper, it's a big boy. Yeah, I know Mike Gbody Central. Remember them swaps. Know the LS swap. That's a fuel red. Nothing but them swaps. The whole trunk. Dynamac. Really wait. Can't wait to my car. Can't wait to pull the thing out. I said I do this steering wheel again. See that thing came up. Should be able to do it easily though. To be honest with you, I should be able to do it easily. Man, I can't wait to pull my car out, man. Whew. Boy, I can't wait to pull it out, boy. Halloween season for y'all niggas, boy. And I got the AC too, boy. Right there too, but I got chrome shipping and all that. Y'all been paying attention. Y'all know what to do. Y'all been paying attention. Y'all know what to do. Yeah. Hey, man. Hey, sir. Man, that motherfucker. Hey, boy. I can't get enough of. Man, that thing clean, bro. I need a thing with that paint job, bro. That paint with that orange. I can't say. I ain't getting down with that. Thing back up, man. That thing true. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. That thing true, boy. Ooh, ooh. That thing here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And this thing right here, love and attention ain't enough. Yeah, love and attention ain't enough for this. That thing here count. It been a nice car to build though. But ooh, ooh, ooh. What this is? A little saver. Yeah. Yeah. That thing here done seen better days here, boy. That thing done seen better days. It ain't even got no flow in the trunk. The whole flow gone. The whole flow is gone.